Hello friend, welcome to your own channel. How to know? In this video, I am going to tell about the trading competition. That means futures trading competition reward, which is going on the Gate.io. And if I'm going to tell you about this program. So before I start, please subscribe my channel if you are new in the video. If you are not signed up on the Gate.io, then this link is given in the description section. From there, you can sign up on the Gate.io and can earn 40% of the referral amount and 10% discount on every trade. So let's start. Gate.io first global future trading competition ended at 2400 hour on 21st of January. It means yesterday. According to the rule of event, we have issued reward to user who meet the conditions. Okay, at the same time, we'd like to some feedback about the competition to improve the product experience. So please fill out the user questionnaire and competition to share 10,000 contact bonus. So this is a questionnaire session where you have to fill out the form and some activity you have to complete. After that, you can get a bonus of 10,000 US dollar, and it will be shared in the as a airdrop to all users who participated in. And let's see how it works. As you can see, the start time of this competition will start on 23rd of January 2022 and it will end 6th February 2022. So if you want to participate, just you have to click on the link given here. Okay, so I will also tell you how you can fill the form at the end of this video. So let's see, read first about the rules. So here is for activity first is spot user share 5,000 for first time open perpetual contracts. So during the events, spot user who open a contract for the first time and complete the transaction of no less than $100 will be receive $10 contract experience bonus. If you are if you are depositing 100 US dollar, then you will get $10 as a bonus. So this reward is limited for the 500 user on the first come and first serve basis. So if you are booking a perpetual contract on 23rd of January in initial, and if you falling under the 500 user, then you will get $10 extra bonus from the Gate.io. Okay, this is the first activity. So let read the second activity. Second activity says that fill out the questionnaire and share 5,000, which link is given in the description section, and you just have to fill up the form, and after that some activity have to complete. So during the event, the complete user questionnaire of the contact competition. The more specific and constructive your suggestion and opinion are, the greater the possibility of being adopted. So this is a questionnaire session. Just you have to join, and any suggestion given by you is very impressive to Gate.io and very helpful to promote Gate.io. And if your suggestion is being adopted, then you will be eligible for the rewards or bonus. Okay, the greater chance of the getting rewards, we will select top three winner according to the effectiveness and adoption of the suggestions. Reward will be $40, $30, and $20 for the all third users. The remaining valid session user will get $5 each contract bonus in the order of submitting questionnaire while stock lasts. So here the two activity, also some instruction is given here for the detail of competition. Link will be also share in the description section. From there you can check it out. And winners of the competition can visit wallet and in their wallet and optimize works on my asset. They can see their rewards. Okay, and please do fill in the form if you are participate in activity 1 and 2. The reward are subjected to data submitted in the form. So, regarding the contract bonus, please click here. If you want to know about more detail, then link is also given in the description section. From there, you can easily um, check it out. Okay, the contract bonus can be used for the contract trading margin. Okay, with the whatever bonus you are getting by reward, that all can be used in the contract trading. Like if you want to buy any kind of perpetual contract, then you can buy from using that amount. So deducting account losses, transaction fees, and capital costs, and all things you can deduct from that. So I think if you are getting any bonus from Get.io, then it will be utilized in the trading commission and fees in all. Okay, so the system will automatically recover all the unused part of when it expire, and profit obtained from the experience gold transaction can be transferred. So here it is the seventh thing is get the result all right to the final interpretation for the event. Get has complete right to complete final evaluation. So let's start how to fill the questionnaire form of this activity. So before I will proceed, do remember one thing: crypto market is very volatile, and after complete analysis, you can invest in the crypto market. But again, I would like to say that Gate.io is the best platform where you can trade easily, and there are lots of activities are going on the Gate.io from where you can easily earn lots of airdrops, bonus, and all things. So let's proceed further. Just we have to check it out how you can fill the form. Just here I am clicked on the form. Here you can see a banner. Get.io global future trading competition is going on. Price is 2 lakh to 20 lakhs total price pool. So early bird registrations here 20,000 and other things are also mentioned here. So easily you can get registered by here submitting your UI, and after submitting your UID, just as my UID is 70, put call it 50, just I have to put it here. Then here a question: did you participate in future trading competition? Currently, I don't have any participation, so I click on no. The reason you did not participate competition, just I have to click here, and the personal risk preference conversion maintained by something like this. So I don't need to select anything. Just I have to read it out why I have not participated in the competition. So I would like to select any one of my like compatibility, and after that I have to click any of this. Then after reading it out, just I have to click other things which is asking by here. We will have to try after registration receiving contract bonus. Just I will select it. Okay, then after here, if you start to learn and trade contracts, what kind of the help do you want Get a platform to provide? Please explain briefly. Okay, so if you want to learn, then Get are you asking? So let me fill form detail. Actually, I was not filling the form in the detail. So the reason you did not participated in the competition, you can see the first option is personal risk preference is conservative, mainly trading spot, never trade contract before. So I have not traded in contract, so I will select first option. Then here next option is coming here. The following is the prediction the BTC market 2022. Do you agree with not financial investment advice? It means that if you like you are following BTC market, it is going up and down. What will the trend in the 2022? So it is asking. So here you can see the options. The external environment will share have adverse impact on the BTC, especially in 2022 when the Federal Reserve take measures to tightly liquidity such as raising interest rate and shrinking its balance sheet to respond inflation. It will be negative for the risk asset. At the same, BTC is also technically showing the bearish trend. Generally speaking, BTC may gradually to bearish in 2022. So it will be true as it is saying. So let's see what's the next option. The 10-year bull market of the US stock will not end immediately. BTC would likely continue. Bull market trend US stock. This I think I don't think so. Like it is saying that US market depend on the BTC because its market is totally different from the stock market. So according to me, first one option is the correct answer. Then next question is if the BTC price continue to fall and a bear market start in 2022, are you willing to learn and trade the contracts? Yes, definitely I would like to trade in contract, but I don't know how to con- like trade in contracts. So I will fill. Let it be clear. I know about the contract trading, but as a new user I'm telling you that you are not having if you are not having any knowledge about the trading contract trading, so you will fill the form like this. It is not saying about the it myself because I know about the contractual trading. So let's read further. If you were getting into the understanding contract, which of the following would you probably start? Try it from the get out of your testnet. Will have a try after registration receiving contract bonus. Start learning from Contract Academy and trade while learning. Find a teacher to learn from him or her. So here I will also like to select both options. Try it from the get out of testnet. Actually, get out of your testnet is already generated the platform where you can easily trade. And other second option is saying that I will try after getting the contract bonus. If I am buying $100 contract bonus, then I will get $10 bonus. Then I will try for though using those $10. So I think this is not correct decision. So my decision will be try it from get.io testnet. Okay. So I have selected. So if you start learning and trade contract, what kind of help do you want get.io platform to provide? Please identify briefly. So I have to just specify in brief that what kind of information need from the get.io. Okay, so let me verify here, type here. So here I have entered all the information which is required in detail. So next question is how did learn about the competition? So it is showing that like from where you can find it. So official website I can find here. And next question is what is your main reason for participating in the competition? Originally a contract trader? No, I'm not. Recommended by the friend? I'm not recommended by any friend. And after seeing the promotion of the get contract, so it is the best thing. I have seen the promotions. Okay, so I have selected it. Next option is which part do you like in this competition? The event page with the starship theme is looking cool. Rule are related to competitive NFT voting reward. Customer service is nice. They can help answer. All three options are very good, but I will select third option currently because I am very happy with customer support of Gate.io. So I am selecting third option. Next question is which part needs to be improved of the competition? The page activity page app is slow and difficult to. No, it's not a good answer. The price pool is too small and not attractive enough. This is approximately good and good to I have answered. Then let's see. Third option is the competition activity is relatively rough and the room of the improvement in the process, guideline and detail. This is according to me. This should be there. Okay, so I have selected my question already. And actually, these three rules, lower three rules, are very effective. It needs to be there for the promotions. Okay, it is competition is launched again in next year. If the competition launch again next year, you are you willing to participate in recruitment your friend? Yes, I definitely participate. Regarding this competition, the contract for experience, please give your suggestion and opinion. So for this, I have also already mentioned here, so I will copy all the remarks and paste the same here, and I will submit the request. Okay. After clicking on the submit, a page will be open where I have to log in my account by sliding this. Okay. So after logging, I don't know what it is saying. Let's see. Just I am closing it, then going towards up side. Okay. Like any advice, so I will click here. Then again click on the submit. So after clicking this, your form will be submitted and will be in the participation. So I hope this video is very informational to all. Any comment required, then please do comment. Video is going too long, so I have to stop here. If any other information required, then I will make a video on that part also. So thank for watching video. Thank you all.